YouTube has been aggressively promoting YouTube Premium over the last few months. One of the biggest features of that service is the ability to play YouTube videos in the background. Whether it's listening to music or just listening to instructions on a tutorial like this one, playing YouTube videos in the background can be quite useful. So you don't actually have to pay YouTube 99 rupees a month for this feature, because you can play YouTube videos in the background for free. Yes, you heard that right. But before we begin this video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new video. Now let's get started. First up, open youtube.com on Google Chrome. Once the page is loaded, tap on the vertical 3 dots icon on the top right and select Desktop Site. Now search for any video and open it. On the next page, your video will automatically start playing. Just exit to the home screen. Now the video will stop playing. Pull down the notification shade and you will see the media controls of the video that you just played. Now simply hit play to resume and your video will start playing in the background. Open youtube.com on Safari. Once the page is loaded, tap on AA icon on the top left in the address bar. Now tap Request Desktop Website. Now search for any video and play it. As the video starts playing, just exit to the home screen. Now open the Control Center and check out the Music Controls box on the top right. Just hit play to resume playing the video in the background. While this is a nice way to play YouTube videos in the background, this doesn't work with the official YouTube app without paying for YouTube Premium. So that's all for now. Did you find this video helpful? Then please give it a like and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.